Stairway to Heaven, but do you guys know how to play the middle section? Do you realize that the middle section is the most fun part of that song to play? I love it so much. It's really, really easy. You can play it. Let me show it to you in a really short video. Start the whole thing with a big G chord. This introduces this section. It happens once and never again. Okay, now hold this A minor chord. And at the same time, put your pinky on the first string, 3rd fret. This creates a beautiful chord, which is A minor 7. All the chords will be on the screen there for you. All right, do exactly this strumming pattern. I'll do it slowly. Down, down, up, down, down. Lift your pinky, down. Okay, so the A minor. Okay, so just do that a few times. Okay, now hit this chord here. Put your 3rd finger on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. That's the chord, that's all it is. It's a type of E minor 7 chord. Just hit 4 strings and then close your D chord. Okay, so let's put that in context. So we have this so far. Okay, now on your D chord, if you can, sort of aim for your 4th string by itself. If you hit a couple of other strings, it doesn't really matter. So this part's going to go like this. Watch this. So hold your D chord and go 4, down, down, up, down. Open it up and hit it open strings, and that gives us a moment to get back to A minor. So I'll do that part. All right, so practice that. Okay, let me put that all together. So we've got this. Starts with our G chord, and then. Beautiful, so easy to play. You guys can play this. Okay, get back to your A minor 7, and here's the greatest part of the song, in my opinion. Get back to our A minor 7 chord. Do exactly the same thing. Open the pinky. Okay, now jump up to this great chord here, which is an E minor chord. 7 on 1, 8 on 2, 9 on 3. Okay, 7, 8, 9. Hit it just once with a 4th string bass. All right, now come down to 5, 7, 7. 3, 5, 5, back to 5, 7, 7. You see that? So it's 7, 8, 9, 5, 7, 7, 3, 5, 5, 5, 7, 7. That's E minor, D, and C, naming the chords. Okay, so that part sounds like this. Isn't that great? It's such a beautiful part of this song. All right, let me put that all together for you without talking. So it starts on our G chord. Okay. All right, in the next section, we have these great arpeggios. Very easy part to play, but so beautiful. On your 5th string, play the open 5, 2nd fret, and then fall on a C chord. We'll do a little walk up to this C chord. Play 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, so you have. Okay, now hold the 2nd fret of your 5th string by itself. This is called a G over B chord. Do the same thing. Sometimes, full disclosure, sometimes in the song he does include the 2nd string, 3rd fret. Once in a while he does that. Let's omit that just for simplicity's sake in this video. Okay, so we have. Okay, now the next chord is A minor, but before we drop the entire chord, hit your open 2nd string, and then hammer the 1st fret, and then drop your chord, and then you hit the 3rd string. Okay, so the first thing you do on A minor is, and then go 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, so you have. Okay, now repeat yourself. C chord. Now on the G, B chord, just hit 5, 4, 3 and stop there. And then come to this chord, this F major 7 chord, which is just the easy F chord. Strum it once, and then A minor once. Okay, so in context. All right, let me put that whole part together without talking. That's not that hard. Now to get yourself back to the original strumming part of this section, you just repeat this part. You go like this. That's the middle section of Stairway to Heaven, guys. That's the best part of Stairway to Heaven. I hope you found this video valuable. If you did, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.